In this video, let's learn how to change or adjust your ringtone, media, notification and system sounds volume. You can press your volume down or up key and click on this three dots icon. After you can view this menu. In here you can adjust your media sound or system sound or notification sounds. This is your media volume controller and this is your ringtone volume adjustment. This is your notifications volume adjustment and this is your system volume adjustment. Now I will tell you second method. Go to mobile settings and go to sounds and vibration option. In here click on this volume option. In here you can adjust your ringtone, media, notification and system sound like this. In this method you can adjust your volume.